In this video, I am going to solve a problem on 18 electron rule. Question is, the substitution of eta 5 Cp group with nitric oxide is the easiest for, they are given 4 complexes, iron based, cobalt, nickel and cobalt based complexes. In all 4 options you can find eta 5 Cp ligand. Which one can be easily replaced with nitric oxide? You may know nitric oxide can be 1 electron donor or 3 electron donor. I have to replace eta 5 Cp. So eta 5 will give 5 electrons. I am going to replace that with either 1 electron donor or 3 electron donor. So the difference will be 2 or 4. When I replace eta 5 Cp with 3 electron donor nitric oxide, the difference is 2. When I replace with 1 electron donor nitric oxide, the difference is 4. Now the system will prefer to become more stable 18 electron system. Say I have 20 electron system. When I replace Cp with 3 electron donor NO, then that system will become 18 electron system, and that will be more preferred. If it is 18 electron system, when I replace Cp with nitric oxide, the hapticity or the electron donated is 3, then it will become 16 electron system. That is not preferred. Let us try to calculate. Here I have 2 Cp, the hapticity is 5, so I get 10 electrons. For iron, I have 6 in the d orbital, 2 in s orbital, so I get 8 electrons, so totally 18 electrons. If I replace 1 Cp with NO, then it will be 1 Cp will be there, and for NO, say it gives 3 electrons, plus for iron I will get 8, so total will be 16. So from 18 it becomes 16. So this is not preferred. Let's go for the second one. Hapticity is 5. I have 2. So 10. Cobalt will give 9 electrons. Since I have anionic ligand, that will give 1. So total 20. Say I replace 1 Cp with nitric oxide, which gives 3 electrons. In that case, I will have 1 Cp plus 3 electrons plus 9 plus 1. This 3 is from NO. NO can donate 1 as well as 3. Now I have imagined it gives 3 electrons. So in this case I will get 18 electrons. From 20, which is unstable, becomes 18 electron. So this is preferred. Let us try with other systems also. In this case, I have 2 Cp, so 10. For nickel, I will get 10, so total 20. When I replace 1 Cp with nitric oxide, I will get 5 plus 3 plus 10, so 18. In this case also, from 20, I get 18. What about the last one? So I have possibility for this. What about the last one? 10 plus for cobalt 9. So what I get is 19. If I replace Cp with nitric oxide, what I get is 17 electron system. This is not preferred. So in 2 cases, from 20 we get 18 electron system. So both should be preferred.